We'll talk about how can you add social networks on your app, on your Roblox app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on more down here. When you just click here on more, it's going to take you to this list here. So when you click on more, it's going to take you to this list. You go down, just keep going down, click here on settings. So then you come to this list. Then all you have to do, just click here on account info, click on it here. So then you come to this list here. Then all you have to do, so you just switch into open video here like this, and you go down here, you keep going down, come here to social networks, and here can you add it in this list here. So here can you add, and here can you select here visible to, and when you're down, click on save. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.